Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Manisha. I am from India and guys, I am learning English. So guys, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing great. So guys, if you are also alone to learn this language, so don't uh, like uh, don't feel like discouraged and demotivated because I'm also facing the same problems. Like I don't have a partner to practice with because like mostly people are facing the same problem. They don't have a partner, they don't have a environment of speaking English, so they are very confused, like how can I practice and how can I improve their communication skill. So guys, like if you want to learn this language and you want to become a fluent speaker, so you have to do some small activities every day. Like you can self talk, you can talk to yourself. Like doesn't matter, like you need only partner to practice with you. Like apart from partner, you can practice in any other way. Like there are so many things you can practice. Like you can self talk. Self talk is very best way to like practice alone and alone to stay at home. So this is very right way to practice with. So if we talk about myself also, so I do like I use self talk every day to improve my communication skill and practice alone. So like sometimes I use chat gpt, I get a help to chat gpt to get a information, to get a ideas for learn English and like speaking practice. So guys, don't think about partners and environment because every person has the same problems and it is very common problem. So don't think about this because you know like we can't depend on partners every time. If we want to do something in our life, so we have to take step ourselves. So we can self talk, we can practice every day through self talk. We can ask question to ourselves and give answer by myself. So this is how we can practice. And also like we can talk in front of mirror. So this is how we can build confidence. And we can also record our voice. As I'm talking in front of camera, I'm recording my video. So guys, you can also do the same things for a practice purpose. So it is very helpful to build confidence and practice alone. So these kind of things are very important and very helpful if you really want to improve yourself. So you can do these kind of things to improve yourself, to build confidence to yourself. So guys, don't think about anything like mistakes and like fear of communication. You have to avoid these things if you really want to become a perfect communicator. Like don't think about mistake because we are human beings and mistake is very common, and we learn from our mistakes. So mistake is a part of learning. Don't think about mistake. If we are making mistake, that means we are learning something new every day. And fear of communication, like don't think about like if I will speak in front of people, so people will laugh at on me. So don't think about this because uh, today I will speak, so I can make a like a small mistake, but if I will try again and again, so definitely I will speak clear and with confidence and perfect English. So don't think like don't stop yourself to speak in front of people. Just focus on like speaking and clear your thoughts every time you just like try to speak this language. If you will do these things, so definitely guys you can learn and you can improve yourself every day. So guys, that's all I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you like this video, so don't forget the like button, and thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you so much guys.